This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin inside Waze with location permissions enabled. This ensures accuracy. Tap the map where you want to share, or type an address into search to pinpoint it. Once the pin appears, tap the small location card at the bottom. This reveals actions you can take. You do this because Waze bundles route data with the pin, so recipients get turn-by-turn context. Next, look for the Share or Send button. That's the first actionable control that starts the actual sharing workflow. Once you tap Share, choose how to send the location. Pick a contact, a messaging app, or create a link. If you want live arrival info, select the Live ETA or Share Drive option. Otherwise, pick Send Location for a static pin. Make sure the messaging app has permission to access Waze share intent so the link or card attaches correctly. If you select a contact, confirm their phone or app account. Once confirmed, tap Send and Waze packages the map plus route context for the recipient. After sending, verify the recipient received the link or Waze card. Ask them to open it so you confirm receipt. If the message fails, use copy link and paste into your app or try resend. This often fixes transient network or intent errors. If sharing consistently fails, restart Waze, toggle location and background permissions, and check your internet connection. These steps resolve most problems because they reset app links and permission handshakes. Finally, test by sending to yourself to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.